Hey guys, I've had some subscribers on my Patreon account want me to give a little example of how I adjust my temperatures for different types of filament, different brands or different types. What I do is I print a real simple block STL, as you can see in the video, let it print partially through the layer and change temperatures throughout it. So as you can see here, I started off at, I believe it was 215 degrees Celsius. Everything's going down real well. It's not having any issues. It's not raising up off the bed. I think my bed temperature was 45 degrees. You need to do this with each type of filament. Find out. As you can see on this one, after the print was over, that was the initial temperature of 215. I'll show you later on exactly what it looks like and how to adjust just by visuals. I changed the temperature next to 195, so I dropped it down. This, you can see the areas of lift where the filament really wasn't attaching to the bed like it should have been. This is your first indication that it could be the temperature off. It's not always just your Z offset or other parameters that you need to look at, but your temperature is a big deciding factor. Over the next 20 or 40 lines, I'll change the temperature onto 200, then 210, and then back to 215. And as you can see, this is where you can really tell. Pull the print off the bed and turn it over and look at the bottom. As you can see on the left, that's where it started at 215, and then where I changed the temperatures throughout, and at the very end I went back to 215 again. This is how you're really going to tell. You can't always tell by looking at the top of your print exactly how well everything's adhering, so it's always important to check the back side as well. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on Patreon at patreon.com/techtimeguy.